Gardening is something you can enjoy all year round, and it never fails to amaze me. I've been gardening now professionally for over 40 years. I left school at 16 and worked on parks departments and have been very much a practical hands-on gardener. Very lucky now that I judge at the RHS shows, I write for magazines and broadcast for the BBC, so I get a really wide variety of work. But the thing I enjoy more than anything is being in the garden and actually pruning, digging, sowing and planting, and enjoying the wonderful plants that I grow in my garden. And it doesn't matter whether it's middle of summer or the middle of winter, there's always something to enjoy. I mean, this, for example, here we are now, middle of winter, and this is a lovely Viburnum Bodden 10 Storn. It flowers from around December right the way through till March with these beautiful scented flowers that have got that wonderful perfume, and they're great for attracting those early pollinators and the bees when they emerge in February and March. So a really essential nectar source. So if you enjoy gardening, then please stay with us, because every week we're putting out videos on pots and trowels, lots of practical tips, lots of advice, and of course they're all free there on Facebook and on YouTube. So stay with us and let me share my 40 odd years of experience with you so we can all enjoy gardening together.